Being a project coordinator, I'm frequently working with different types of electrical companies and other types of subcontractors in the Lower Mainland. I would say that working with MJR is definitely a different experience because there were times when I just didn't understand certain things, and the team at MJR were very good at breaking things down for me and explaining things to me that made it easy for me to relay to my client. So I worked with MJR at a large-scale project in Richmond. It's down at the Airport Executive Park. We've been working on the project with each other for nearly, I don't know, at the minute coming up to 2 years. So this project is a large-scale HVAC upgrade, and mainly cooling systems such as cooling towers and that sort of thing. So MJR did all the breaker panels for the new rooftop units that were installed and all the wiring as well. Yeah, so as I said, the project's coming up to nearly 2 years. We're almost done. MJR has been fantastic throughout the whole process. There was a period at the start when we had some difficulties between us and the client, but it was very, very easy for us to sit down with MJR and just explain to them, you know, the sort of problems that we're going through and talk with them about what the solutions are for communicating and making sure that information is being distributed between us and the sub-trades. So we have worked with a few electrical companies before, but I would say that our experience with MJR is definitely one of the best. The whole team have been very easy to talk to. There's been times when there's things I just don't know the answer to, and MJR have been very quick to get back and answer those for me and answer them in layman's terms, because I don't work in the mechanical field or in the electrical field, sorry. So having someone or working with a team that are happy to spend the time and break those things down to me to make sure that I can keep a good relationship with our client and feed the information back to them has been a great experience. So one of the things I enjoyed the most about working with MJR is, given the fact that this type of work, it's very time sensitive. Other sub-trades and our clients, they want information very, very quickly. So the communication with MJR and getting those answers, how quick we were able to get that information back, was definitely a big plus for us. I would definitely recommend MJR because if you want the job done, you want it done right, you know they're going to do it.